we've listed the 5 best cordless lawn edgers you can buy right now. These aren't just popular picks we test, research, compare, and review based on real use to see what actually works. Our goal is to help you find the right tool for your yard without guessing or overspending, whether you want clean edges, easy handling, or a tool that fits your existing battery system. We've got you covered. Let's talk about the top 5 cordless lawn edgers. Based on tests and research. At number 5, the EGO Power is a great pick if you want a powerful all-in-one kit. It includes an 8-inch edger attachment, a power head, a 2.5 ampere battery, and a charger. This tool is part of EGO's multi-head system, so you can expand later with attachments like a trimmer or pole saw using the same motor. It's ideal for people who want professional-looking edges and the option to grow their tool collection. Over time, the blade gives deep, clean cuts, and the curb wheel keeps your lines straight, even on uneven ground. It runs on a strong 56 volts battery, which means gas-like performance without the noise, fumes, or engine maintenance. It's easy to control thanks to the variable speed trigger, and the soft grip helps with comfort during long sessions. If you want a reliable edging solution with future flexibility, this kit offers excellent value. At number 4, the WORX Nitro 20 volts is perfect for those who want strong performance in a compact form. This cordless edger includes a 7-inch steel blade, a 20 volts battery, and a charger, so you're ready to start out of the box. The brushless motor gives more power and a longer life compared to standard motors, which means less worrying about replacements later. You can choose between 3 cutting depths, making it a flexible option for different grass types or soil conditions. Dual wheels help keep the edger stable, giving you cleaner results with less effort. It also has an edge guide that makes it easy to follow straight lines, especially if you're not experienced with edging tools. This model is a solid choice if you're looking for power, control, and ease of use, especially on small to medium yards. At number 3, the Dewalt 20 volts max brushless edger is the right fit for users who already own Dewalt tools. It's sold as a bare tool, so you'll need a 20 volts Dewalt battery and charger to use it. The brushless motor delivers strong, efficient power, making this tool ideal for frequent use without wearing down quickly. You can adjust the blade depth up to 2 inches, which is useful for tough overgrowth or compact soil. The edge guide helps you stay accurate, while the steel blade provides long-lasting performance. The handle is adjustable, so you can find the most comfortable grip angle for your hands. At 10 pounds, it strikes a good balance between stability and ease of use. If you want something reliable, built tough, and part of a larger battery system, this Dewalt model is hard to beat. At number 2, the Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volts edger is best for budget-conscious buyers or beginners. This tool doesn't come with a battery or charger, but it works with any Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volts batteries you may already have. The 9-inch blade is large enough for most sidewalks and edges, and it's serrated to help slice through thicker grass. You can set the blade for different depths, which gives you control depending on your yard's needs. It includes both front and rear wheels for stability, helping you keep a straight line with minimal effort. The soft grip handle is comfortable and easy to hold, even for longer tasks. This tool is light, simple, and cordless, so it's easy to move around without dragging a cord behind you. If you want a basic and dependable edger without spending a lot, this Ryobi model is a great place to start. At number 1, the Greenworks 40 volts 8-inch brushless edger is perfect for homeowners who want quiet power and maintenance-free use. This is a too-lonely model, which means you'll need to supply your own Greenworks 40 volts battery and charger. It's part of a trusted battery system used across many Greenworks tools. The 8-inch blade delivers smooth, even cuts, and the curb wheel helps guide the tool along edges for better accuracy. The brushless motor is efficient and quiet, while offering excellent cutting torque for tough grass. Depth adjustment is simple and doesn't require tools, making it easier to switch between light and deep cuts. The tool is lightweight at just 8.6 pounds, which reduces fatigue and makes it easy to use for longer stretches. It also starts instantly, runs clean, and needs no fuel, oil, or engine servicing. If you want a hassle-free cordless edger with strong performance and low upkeep, this is a top choice, and that wraps up our list of the top 5 cordless lawn edgers. Each one brings something different to the table, whether it's battery compatibility, cutting power, lightweight design, or all-in-one convenience. If you're tired of messy edges or dragging around cords, switching to a cordless edger can make lawn care faster, cleaner, and easier. Choose the one that fits your yard size, your tools, and how much effort you want to put in. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, or leave a comment with your favorite pick or let us know what you're currently using in your yard. See you in the next one.